Dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family, today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is coerce. Coerce. Coerce means force, repress. Synonyms of coerce are push, pressure. Example: faith is the attempt to coerce truth to surrender to whim. Faith is the attempt to coerce truth to surrender to whim. Here coerce is in verb. And verb is one of the 8 parts of speech. A verb is a word that expresses action, state of being, or a relation between two things in a sentence. Example: she is smiling in front of the audience. That airplane was flying above the clouds. Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Bye.